In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you have the right permissions to connect marketing tools. This process happens inside your Hubspot settings, and it only takes a few minutes. First, look to the top right of the main navigation bar in Hubspot and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens the main settings area where Hubspot keeps all of the account connections and marketing tools. Next, move to the left sidebar menu. Scroll until you find Marketing, then select Ads. The Ads section is where you connect advertising platforms like Facebook, and it also controls the options that let Hubspot bring lead information into your CRM. Once you are on the Ads page, go to the top right and click Connect Account. Hubspot will ask you which platform you want to connect. Choose Facebook. A login pop-up window will appear. Complete the login process in that pop-up and follow any prompts to allow access. This authorization step is important because Hubspot needs permission to view the ad account and sync lead data. After you log in, you will be returned to Hubspot where you can see your available Facebook ad accounts. Find the correct ad account and click Connect next to it. Take a moment here to confirm you are connecting the account that actually runs your lead ads, especially if you manage more than one. Now at the top of the page, click the Lead Syncing tab. This is the area that controls whether Facebook lead form submissions are automatically pulled into Hubspot. In Lead Syncing, click Connect. Select Facebook again when prompted. You will see a list of Facebook business pages you have access to. Check the box next to the business page that is associated with your lead forms. This selection matters because lead forms are tied to pages, not just ad accounts. Finally, click Save. After saving, Hubspot will begin syncing new leads that come in through your Facebook lead forms, so they can appear in your Hubspot database for follow-up. That covers everything you need to know.